chapter, I will tell you about what are commands, what are comparing operators, what are conditional statement, what are looping statement, then break command, exit command, and learn command. So, what are comments? So, first is comments are the sentence. What are comments? They are sentence which explains the logic for using a certain command or describe what a command does. So, the computer ignores the comment while executing the program. Comments can be used anywhere and many number of times on a program. So, comment line starts with slash symbol. For example, this is a comment and this variable stored the results. So, comparing operators की हम बात करते हैं. So, what are comparing operators? The numbers and variables that can be compared to each other using comparing operator. The result of comparison will either be true or false. जो वैल्यू होगी या तो ट्रू होगी या फॉल्स होगी, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं, बोलियन वैल्यूज. This is operator means equal. It checks equality between two operands, right? If it will be equal, it will be false. Now not equal, so it checks non-equality. What it will check? It will check non-equality. Greater than, it will check whether the first value is greater than second value. If है तो वो true है, नहीं है तो false. Less than, it will check that first value is less than the next value. It's false. It checks whether the first value is greater than or equals to second value. Lesser than, whether the first value is lesser or equal to the second value. Right? Now, what's our conditional statements? Conditional statements they are used to execute a block of statement depending upon the condition. They had to control flow of program. What we call it? We call it control statement. हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे? Control statement. The program code is executed line by line, but with the help of some statement, we can control execution of the program. So computer checks Boolean values. Boolean values जो होती है, computer उसको ही check करता है. Then we have a statement. It is used to control the execution of certain command. If the statement is true, the command will be executed. If the statement is false, the command is not executed. यहाँ पे देखो एक कमांड क्रिएट करा है which is eligible to vote or not. Right? In the above example, the third line makes the computer test whether the age entered is greater than 18 or not. If true, the code between curly braces was executed, and if it is false, then the code between the curly braces is not executed. So, if else statement, in the previous example, if we enter the value say 10 as the age, no message will appear. If you want to display a message, even if we enter the age less than or equals to 18 years, we can combine the if state. Now here the command has been created which tells you who are eligible. If A is equals to X, you will enter the age. A is greater than 18. So if you are not eligible to vote, else message sorry if you are not eligible to vote. Right? So what are looping statement? A loop is a set of statement or a block of code that continues to execute till the condition is true. वो जब तक कंटिन्यू करेगा जब तक आपकी स्टेटमेंट ट्रू नहीं हो जाएगी. जैसे ही आपकी कंडीशन ट्रू होगी वो रुक जाएगी. देन वी हैव रिपीट लूप. इट इज रिपीटेड एज मेनी टाइम एज द गिवन नंबर. जितने नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स है उसको रोक देगा. व्हाइल लूप, इन अ व्हाइल लूप सेट ऑफ स्टेटमेंट्स दैट फॉलो इज रिपीटेड टिल द बूलियन वैल्यू इज ट्रू. व्हेन इट बिकम्स फॉल्स, जो एग्जीक्यूशन है प्रोग्राम का वो क्या हो जाता है? स्टॉप हो जाता है. राइट नाउ next is for loop. This is known as counting loop because it keeps the count for us, and the loop tells the computer to keep the range of value between two numbers. The program starts with a variable which is being assigned the first number, right? Every time the loop is repeated and the number is increased by 1 until the second number is reached. The loop is repeated till the Boolean value is true. If it is false, the program control is transferred to the statement outside the loop, right? So, next is for loop with step. The value of which the computer increases the value of the variable is called step value. By the default, the step size of the loop is 1. The value of the variable is increased by 1 every time. But you can also specify that any other value using step with for loop. Next is you can also have a negative number as the stepwise. In that case, the first number will be greater than second number. अब देखेंगे जो पहला नंबर होगा वो greater than होगा second number. Now we have break command. So the command stop the current loop and transfer the control of the statement. Then we have exit command which finish the execution of the program. ये क्या करेगा? जो program का execution है उसको finish करेगा. Learn command helps us to create your own set of commands with the name of it. When you want to use the set of command, just type in the name you have given to the set of command. Right? Such a set of command can take input as well as written out. So, यहाँ पे आपको कुछ कमांड नेम है KTurtle के. फर्स्ट इज रीसेट, लर्न सर्कल, रिपीट 36, फॉरवर्ड, टर्न 10, circle 1, 2, 7, 12 and 15. Right? So in the above example, the new command is circle. It takes one input to set the size of circle and it draw 5 circles of size 1, 2, 7, 12 and 15. Right? Now this was all in this chapter. Hope you understood. We have completed. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.